The largest type of black holes, the so-called supermassive black holes, have masses on the order of hundreds of thousands to billions of solar masses. Next, we collected some of the largest black holes with known masses measured at least an order of magnitude. The list is far from complete, but it gives a rough idea of just how complex and vast our universe is. Enjoy watching. The central black hole of the Phoenix Cluster, a supermassive black hole in the central galaxy of the clusters, is pumping energy into the system. It is believed to be 20 billion times more massive than the Sun, and its horizon should be about 118 billion kilometers in diameter. The Chandra data and various observations at other wavelengths have shown that this black hole is growing rapidly at a rate of 60 times the mass of the Sun each year. But since it is already very large, this figure is not sustainable. Growth cannot last more than 100 million years. Discovered in 1785, NGC 4889 is the brightest galaxy in the Northern Comet Cluster, located at an average distance of 308 million light-years from Earth. At the heart of NGC 4889 is one of the largest black holes, which heats the intracluster medium due to features that form falling dust and gases. This supermassive black hole is almost 5,200 times as massive as the Milky Way's black hole, and weighs about $21 billion a mass. The event horizon of a black hole is 20 to 124 million kilometers wide, which is equivalent to 2 to 12 times the diameter of Pluto's orbit. APM 08279 plus 5255. In 2002, Chandra's observations noticed high-speed winds near the emergence of gases, up to 40% the speed of light, from the supermassive black hole that powers the quasar APM 08279 plus 5255. The quasar is located in the constellation Lynx and has a brightness equal to 1 quadrillion, the density of the Sun. It is a source of light at almost all wavelengths and has become one of the most distant objects detected. The supermassive black hole powering APM 08279 plus 5255 weighs 23 billion dust masses, measured by molecular disk velocities. However, another method of measurement, called reverberation mapping, shows that a black hole weighs 10 quantifiable mass units, a huge difference between both methods of measurement. NGC 6166 is one of the brightest elliptical galaxies, in terms of X-ray emission, located 490 million light-years away in the constellation of Hercules. About 39,000 globular clusters orbit the galaxy, indicating that NGC 6166's halo blends seamlessly into the intracluster environment. At the center of the galaxy is a supermassive black hole with a mass 30 billion times that of the Sun. Every year it absorbs about 200 solar masses of gas, creating large relativistic jets. In 2014, researchers discovered H1821 plus 643 as one of the most massive black holes and accurately calculated its mass to be equivalent to 30 billion solar masses. The event horizon of a black hole is 1,150 astronomical units wide. 1 astronomical unit is equal to about 150 million kilometers, and its average density is 22 grams per cubic meter, which is less than air on Earth. One of the largest and brightest galaxies in the universe, IC 1101, contains at its center a supermassive black hole with a mass between 40 and 100 billion times that of the Sun. It is an elliptical galaxy located 1.04 billion light-years from Earth. The galaxy has a mass of about 100 trillion stars and extends 2 million light-years from its core. Like other massive galaxies, IC 1101 contains a large number of metal-rich stars, some of which are 11 billion years old and golden yellow in color. S50014 plus 81 belongs to the most energetic type of active galactic nuclei. It is a blazar located near the high declination region of the constellation Cepheus, at a distance of about 12.07 billion light-years from Earth. It is the 6th brightest quasar known to date, with a brightness of over 1,041 watts. To put this into perspective, it's 25,000 times brighter than all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy combined. In 2009, data from the Neil Gehrels Swift Observatory allowed scientists to calculate the mass of the central black hole. They found that it is 40 billion times more massive than our Sun, and its event horizon is 236.7 billion kilometers wide. Tone 618 is a hyperluminous quasar located 10.37 billion light-years from Earth. It contains the largest black hole known to mankind, weighing 66 billion times the mass of our Sun. It was first discovered in 1957 when photographing faint blue stars that do not lie on the plane of the Milky Way. A more detailed radio survey conducted in 1970 identified Ton 618 as a quasar. Ton 618 is believed to be an accretion disk of extremely hot gas swirling around a massive black hole at the center of the galaxy. It's so bright that it outshines the rest of the galaxy. In fact, it is one of the brightest objects in the universe, with a luminosity of 4 × 1040 W, equivalent to 140,000 billion times the Sun.